Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up proxy with GenLogin browser. Here we see their pricing plans. They have free version. As you downloaded the browser, open it and click Create Profile on the top left corner. Give it a name. For me it's Proxy Empire. Go to Proxy Type section and click Your Proxy. Now we need to choose proxy type. Choose HTTP or SOCKS 5. We support both. Go to your Proxy Empire account and choose country, region, city and ICP based on your needs. For me it's United Kingdom, London. Copy the host and paste it. Copy the port and paste it too. Copy and paste the username and do same with password. Scroll down and click at the bottom Check Proxy. We see that our location is London. It means everything works properly. Go up and click Create Profile. Now we should go to Profile section, which is on the left side. And here we need to click Local. We see our account. Click Start. The browser is opened. It means everything is installed properly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and good luck!